Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. This is the swap that I've received from Karlene Moore. We've decided to do an annual tag swap. I'll include the link to what I've sent her, and she's already received mine and posted a video. So this is the beautiful card that she has enclosed with a note on the inside. And here are the tags that she sent me. I just took them out the box. I haven't looked at them or anything. She has them wrapped in this yellow tissue paper with some flower washi. Really pretty. This one says hello. It's like a foam type glittery hello with a little gold bow and a little, I don't know, it's a dragonfly. It's really pretty. I love the paper. This one says sweet with a stitch heart, and there's some brown kind of lace. And she did say she wasn't that comfortable with making tags, but she decided to do it anyway, so thank you, Karlene. This is a Christmas one. It has like 2 different color snowflakes in the background with a little candy cane and a bow, and it says Merry Christmas on the bottom. And I think I have this die. This one is flowers. There's like a banner and a butterfly, another butterfly and some flowers, and it says Happy Birthday. And this one says fall colors. It's like a wood pumpkin with some leaves, and they're all kind of sparkly. And that's the back. And those are the 5 tags that she sent me. There's another package here. It looks like a little planner kit. It is a embellishment pouch, and it's by Craftsmith. And in here there's some paper clips, like a yellow, like a mustard yellow, white and black. Then there's some little, looks like sticky notes and some hearts. There's some little tags, and then there's a little pouch that says keep me on it with some little holes in the side. It's also included another little package, another set of little 2-pack of sticky notes. And they have like flowers on it. Looks like it's from the Target dollar spot. And this is from Karlene Moore. We've done a 5 tag annual swap, and this is what I received from her. I'll be sure to link her channel below showing what she received from me and her reactions, and I'll also link the video of what I created showing how I made everything. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.